Most people walk into Sam's Club and head straight for the paper towels and the giant tub of peanut butter. But if you've got a trip coming up, you might want to slow down before you get to the snack aisle, because Sam's is actually a fantastic place to save serious money on travel gear. So in this quick video, I'm breaking down the travel essentials you should actually consider buying at Sam's Club. Starting with bags. You can do amazingly well at Sam's in a few different ways. The first is dupes. Sam's Club has somewhat of a cult following for some of their in-house Members Mark products. After exploring a bit, I found this Members Mark Weekender bag. This bag clocks in at just $47. It's a direct competitor to the base Weekender, which many people love, and that bag is $100. It's basically the same bag for half the price. If you've been eyeing a Weekender style bag and don't want to drop $100, this one is worth a serious look. Now, this next one is even more interesting. It's the Members Mark Hard Side Spinner. $59. Yes, $59. Away's comparable carry-on runs $275. Quint's makes a budget version at $129. This guy has a nice polycarbonate shell, smooth wheels, and you're getting almost the same bag for less than half the price. Now, as I was poking around, I discovered you can get great deals on brand name luggage too, especially if you're willing to be a generation behind. Some manufacturers seem to use Sam's as a way to clear through their discontinued or overstock inventory, which means an amazing deal on a bag like this, the Thule Aeon 40 liter. I picked this up for just $88. The newer one runs about $300. You're getting the same bag, just one generation back. This guy fits 68% of airline carry-on requirements worldwide, which for a 40-liter bag is a very solid number. It's made of 600D waxed canvas, which is incredibly durable, packs well, and it's comfortable to wear. For one-bag travelers who want a great option without spending $200+, this is a super solid option. And many of the items I'm going to show you in the subsequent categories are online only options or ones where availability in store may be spotty. So be sure to check out the links in the description below. Those are affiliate links, but that's how we fund this channel at no additional cost to you. The Fjallraven Konken, a classic. This bag is normally $100 at REI or directly from the manufacturer. Sam's has it for just $50. Finally, Sam's carries previous gen Tumi backpacks and luggage, bags that normally run $600 to $800 for significantly less. This Tumi Alpha Bravo Brief Pack backpack is $439 compared to the current gen on Tumi's site for $695. Same with this Tumi 19-degree Continental expandable four-wheel carry-on. At Sam's for $519 compared to the current gen at $795. None of these bags are cheap, but the savings are significant. Significant enough that if you ever wanted a Tumi and you balked at full price, it's worth checking what Sam's has in stock. Another great way to save is through luggage sets. You're essentially paying for one bag, but getting two. A couple worth knowing about. First, the Samsonite Ridgeway. This gets you a carry-on and a full-sized checked spinner for $149. Polycarbonate shell, and a handle that adjusts in 1-inch increments. Next, the Samsonite Expedition XLT for $139. Instead of two rollers, you get a carry-on plus a backpack. Now, would I recommend a bag like the Bellroy Transit over either of these carry-ons? Yeah, probably, but that's $299. If you have a Sam's membership and you need a solid luggage option before your trip, either of these is really not bad. Worth mentioning, not every bag at Sam's is good though. If it says carry-on compliant, just know that phrase means nothing. Always check the actual external dimensions, including wheels and handles, and compare them to the rules of your airline. We built willmybagfit.com for exactly this. I'll link that below. Outside of what I just showed you, I would probably skip a majority of the other luggage options at Sam's. Okay, that's bags. Now, a few rapid-fire non-bag related things. Now, a lot of people know Sam's has a travel booking site with discounted hotel and package rates for vacations. Definitely worth checking out. But another cool little travel hack is Sam's sells gift cards to travel brands like Disney and Southwest at a discount. For example, you can get a $500 Southwest gift card for $475. That's $25 back before you even booked anything. Couple things to know. One, buy these early because digital delivery can take up to 48 hours. Secondly, When you check out on Southwest, you can only use 3 cards per booking. So if your trip costs more than $1,500, you might want to split your round trip itinerary into 2 one-way itineraries. This would let you use up to 6 gift cards total. Sam's has a lot of tech-related gear, so I wanted to touch on a couple in this video. I found this guy. This actually solves a travel problem nobody talks about. It's not that you forgot to charge your phone, it's that you forgot to charge your power bank. You're halfway through a travel day and your backup battery is dead because you didn't plug it in the night before. For just $35, this Tech Squared power bank has a built-in AC wall plug right on the body, so it charges itself from any standard outlet without a separate cable. There's also a 7-inch USB-C cable built right in, and the screen shows you the exact percentage remaining, not 4 little LED dots that you don't actually know what they mean. Really dig this one at that price. Now, I know you can also occasionally find bundle deals on Bose and Sony headphones. Little discount. They also throw in a case with the purchase. I wasn't seeing anything active at the time of filming this video, but when those bundles pop up, they're definitely worth grabbing. Now, here's the deal. I made this video to hopefully help you save a bit of money, but some things are absolutely worth spending more on. If you want to see which travel items we believe are genuinely worth a splurge, check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.